Welcome to eCareer Plus channel. Today we are going to see how to check the mobile phone which is not in on condition. The reasons may be a display problem or a software problem, or it may be in a dead condition. So today we are going to see how to check the dead phone and its reason and how to find out the cause. If it is a display fault, means the display will be broken or the display strip will be damaged. So if there is any, so we can identify that there is a problem in display. Sometimes power button failure also may cause this kind of problem, but it doesn't mean the phone is dead. Don't come to the conclusion without the proper checking. In this video, today we are going to see how to check the dead phone properly. Before that, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell icon. Let's get into the video. Initially, we are going to check the condition of the mobile phone. Today, I am having Samsung J2 10F model mobile. Whenever you are dealing with a dead condition mobile phone, first check whether there is any battery drain or short problem. Now, I am going to check the battery. Here, you can see the value 3.38, which is normal. You can use this battery. There is no problem in battery. Next, I am going to check the board whether there is any short or not. Set the multimeter in continuity mode. No values found. Next, I am going to check in reverse. I got the value. So there is no problem or no short in mobile phone board. Next, we can check the display connector. Improper connectivity in display connector also may cause this trouble. Now I have opened the closing panel. Here you can see the display connector. Forming of carbon-like things in display connector also may cause the problem in displaying. If there is any, so just clean the display connector with the IPA solution and you can insert the battery and switch on the phone. The phone will switch on. But here there is no damage in connector, no carbon-like thing, nothing else. Also, there is no damages or crack in touch and display. Even though the phone is not able to on, you may get this thought that the phone is dead when your phone is not responding for any actions. Even the phone is fully charged, there is no damage in battery, there is no damage in display or touch, but it can also be a power button failure. Because of that power button failure, also the phone may not switch on. To check the display complaint, we will use data cable. Data cable can be used only if the phone is in on condition, but here the phone is not in on condition. The phone is in on condition, connecting with the USB cable. The phone detail will be shown in your device like a Samsung J2 so and so. So when you're going to check the dead phone or with the phone which is not in on condition, we have to use an EDL cable. Now I have opened my system. Open the device manager. You can open it by searching in search bar. If you are not aware of device manager, no worries, nothing but the things which are being interfaced with the CPU processor that will be displayed, that will be shown in this device manager. It can be a monitor, mouse, USB connector, all kind of drivers of the phone, adapters, graphic cards, connectors, everything will be displayed in this device manager. So when you're connecting the mobile phone with USB cable, that also will be shown here. Here you can see the USB control of the phone. Just open it. Now we are going to check this mobile phone with device manager. You may ask, why are we checking the mobile phone with the device manager? The reason is there is no crack or damage in touch and display. Even though if there is any crack, the mobile phone will on. But without any crack or any damage, the phone is not able to switch on. To confirm the troubleshoot, If the display problem is confirmed, we can replace the touch and display and switch on the mobile phone. But in this phone, there is no complaints like that. Even though the phone is not responding for any action, even there is no vibration at all, so it can be also because of the power button failure or any software failure. To find out the software failure or EMMC failure, we can check the mobile phone without switch on it by using downloading key. This downloading key will be provided when you buy a software box. Today I'm going to check with an EDL cable. In this EDL cable, 1 to 6 pins will be given. In this pin, switch on the fourth pin. This fourth pin helps to take the Samsung phone into the downloading mode. This fourth pin will be mentioned as Samsung download 300K. To check the phone whether there is a software complaint or a power button problem, you can connect this EDL cable directly with the phone to check it. But keep one thing in your mind, the phone battery must be charged completely. Once you insert this EDL cable with the phone, it will be interfaced with the device manager of your system. If you are connecting this EDL cable with the on condition mobile, it will show the Samsung J2 and SD card details, internal storage details, everything. When you are connecting the EDL cable with the off condition mobile phone, those details won't be shown in device manager. It will be shown as Samsung series composite driver, which is being entered with the downloading mode with the flashing connectors. So when you are connecting off condition mobile phone, the details will be shown only in device manager. It won't be in my computer option. Now I'm connecting this EDL cable with the mobile phone directly. I haven't pressed any button, just I have switched on the 4 pin alone. Now you can see universal series bus controllers. There is the Samsung mobile USB composite device is being shown. It's displaying. Just keep one thing in your mind, your battery must be charged fully. If there is no charge in your battery, this will not be shown. Now you can get the clear picture. There is no software complaint or a EMMC failure in this mobile phone because this phone is being detected normally. So there might be a display connectivity problem. You can change a new combo to this phone. After changing the new combo, this phone may work. Also, it can be a connection failure. Thank you, friends.